Back at it again, City Fan. What's happening, your boy Jay? Here we got another banger. I don't feel that good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like crap. Titi got me sick. It ain't COVID or nothing, but I feel like crap. But you know what? Grind don't stop. I still gotta go work out. I still gotta do what I gotta do. Even though my throat's scratchy and I'm eating halls and crap. It is what it is, right? So I'm about to head into Kroger like I normally do. I gotta grab some orange juice so I can feel a little bit better. And then also, I'll grab my energy drink. So hopefully I get in the sauna today. I feel a little bit better. Get some of these, I also forgot to bring the essential oils. Get some of these toxins out. I might just grab some Vicks Vapor Rub in here. You know what I'm talking about? That shit nasty. Grab some Vicks or whatever it is, and I feel better. It is what it is. And then on top of that, weather here in Michigan right now is pure cheeks. It's cheeks. The weather is cheeks. It just snow. I'm tired of it already. Because if I'm gonna drive the Porsche in the wintertime, I gotta put the winter tires on the Porsche. But it wasn't supposed to snow this soon. It really don't start snowing until like around Thanksgiving time. Like normally here. It might snow on Thanksgiving or right after. It don't really snow before that for real. And this snow kind of sticking to the grass because it's so cold outside. So I'm never gonna be used to this. I don't care what nobody say. I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? Let me make sure my autofocus, it isn't. I ain't gonna never like it. So let's go into Kroger real quick. Y'all can see, y'all already know I gotta figure out what energy drinks I'm getting for the next 3 days. Cause today's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then also, bro, we almost at 2K subscribers on YouTube. We almost at monetization. We almost at 3,000. I think I had 1,000 more hours left. I think I like 200 more hours for like whatever that crappy new monetization thing is now, but you still need 4,000 hours total for the year. So I'm trying to get to that, y'all. So grind not stopping. We uploading every day, still for the next 2 weeks. I'm not gonna get tired of Jay because I'm still gonna do it. So let's hop in here to Kroger, man, and grab what we need. I'm gonna try to feel better. I need to pick me up. So hopefully this energy drink pick me up because I ain't in the mood to do nothing right now, to be honest with you. Especially because everything for the Hellcat ain't go right, and the GT3 stuff ain't going right, and it just ain't a bunch going right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's life is lifing for real, right about now. And I don't like it. I mean, I guess nobody would like it, but I definitely don't like it. So let's go in here to Kroger. Oh, you know what? They got a Starbucks in here. I'm gonna grab a medicine ball. That might make me feel better. And then I'm gonna get the energy drink, and I'm gonna also get my orange juice. So stay tuned to Kroger. Gotta love Kroger, right? Gotta get the ghost. All right, what did I have last time? I think the melon, the blue raspberry was cool. That's always cool. Somebody moved that, so I don't want that one. I don't know if I got sour watermelon or was it, what's this one? Raspberry was cool, I think. And then I did like the apple. The green apple was good. All right, so we got that. Orange juice now, let's go. One of these bottles, well, you might as well get this. I like some pulp though. Make it feel like it's real orange juice. I ain't too bad that fake stuff. Alright, what else do we need? Get some chapstick and a nut wax. Social food is here. That would eliminate me out of the Target. And his food is there. I be forgetting they got his food at Kroger for real. It's $20 here and it's $17 at Target. But yeah, it's crazy. And then last on the list is Chapstick. Just brought chapstick today. But I lose chapstick like every day.
Calling for PA.
Yeah, all the chapstick down. All they got is a bunch of crap. I don't want strawberry. I just want regular. Is that gay if I get that? I feel like it is. Let me see. Lip Love. Raw sugar? No. Almond milk and agave. Let me see. What's in this one? Sunflower seed oil. That's not real. Like what? What is this? Dr. Peppermint lip balm. This is how your shit burning, bro. What's in this one? This is Dr. Bronner's. Yeah, I use his soap, but avocado oil, jojoba seed oil. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff you should use, bro. All right, let's get You got to. I didn't hear about it. It's probably brothers. Yeah, okay. Not brothers. Right. That's what I was thinking when you said that.
Get Rich Gang.
I'm about to start recording right now.
You probably can actually push out, but
You said what?
you probably could push out another why Hellcat ain't selling video. Honestly,
Yeah, you on the phone with City Fam right now too, by the way, so just let you know.
what's going on, City Film? Welcome back to another Vegas video. It's cold out here in the deep. Cold in the deep.
It's cold as but the sun is out, y'all. So y'all can see your boy. The sun is out. I'm headed to Galiana's, but me and Ken were just talking about our whole 30-day grind and what that's consistent of. I be telling City Fam, Ken, that they don't even understand how much work it is, bro. Like, we put a lot of time, energy, money, like, man.
No cap. No cap. This shit is not for the faint of heart.
Man, if you want to be a YouTuber, bro, you better have some money stashed away, gang.
Already know. Already knows.
And don't nobody care how you feel about it either.
Oh, I suppose.
Where I gotta go? They got me going 696. Okay. But yeah, I mean, I should be able to get another Why Hellcat's Not Selling video. This might be another Hellcat Why Hellcat's Not Selling video for sure.
Yeah, I think you have to get like another one of them out. Because you know they vote tomorrow. So like, maybe you can like make something like that happen, I guess, or whatever. I don't know.
This video gonna be for, what's today? This video gonna be for Friday anyway.
Yeah, right before the weekend, yeah. I say get one more of them out, shit. But,
I mean, that video doing good though. I almost got 5K on that video.
damn, really? I only got like 16, 17 on mine. Damn, I didn't drop another.
Drop another one.
I got one coming out, but I had another video for today, but I might just drop that one instead. Fuck it.
You know, I took how you be, I started putting the descriptions in my videos, made it better. I took your advice on the descriptions for the last, I think 2 or 3 videos.
Yeah.
I've been putting a real description, actual description, like, you know how they make it for you, type shit.
Yeah.
So I've been putting a real description, but, bro, I'm almost at 3,000 though. I'm at 2,800. It's at 2,860 or some shit like that.
Bro, I ain't even crossed the chip. Bro, I just got to 1150, nigga. That doesn't get my videos been short.
I'm telling you, you gotta make your video longer. That's the only way your hours gonna go up, genius. And people only watch, like if you look at the analytics, people might only watch, their retention rate only might be like 15%. And if your view duration is only like 3 minutes, they only watch 5% of the video type shit. If you only got a 10-minute video, bro, they only gonna watch 3 minutes. So you need your shit to be like 11, minimum 5 minutes per video. The only way you're gonna get 5 minutes per video is what? If you make your video longer.
Yeah, I got a lot of time on that.
Tell Ken City Fan that he need to make his videos longer. That 10-minute shit ain't
gonna make them longer. Yeah, I need this to be done like before the year is over. So I'm gonna start like after today, all my videos will be longer.
No, I'm gonna tell you, we definitely finish it before the year, but we can't stop then. Like legit, bro. If you see how much our channels have grown within the last 2 weeks, because really it ain't even 30 days. We got a whole another week.
We do. We really do. Like a whole other week.
So if you think about it, this in 2 weeks. So our videos our channels have, I won't say double, but I mean shit for me it done double. Because my views on my videos before we did the 30 days wasn't shit because I didn't post that much.
Yeah.
But now I'm all
Dude,
right.
My shit did 183% more, nigga.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm at 1,000% more type shit.
Yeah. I said, what?
Yeah, it's crazy for real.
Yeah, that's nuts, I ain't gonna lie. I said, I looked at him. You got me on with that gym shit in the morning. The niggas probably really be watching that shit because niggas want to work out.
You talking about the workout stuff in the morning?
Yeah, I might start doing that my damn self.
It make your video longer too though. Like, you think about it, my car content stuff probably be the same amount of length as yours. But because I put my workout stuff in the beginning of my videos, and people be commenting about the workout stuff. Like, hey, you take pre-workout, how many reps do you do? Like, all this kind of stuff. I mean, it can't hurt. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna hurt you.
Yeah, for sure.
At least like every other video. It don't gotta be, because I don't do every video a workout. It's like every other video, because if I get the 2 days, you know what I'm saying, the 2 videos out the day, then I ain't worried about it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start doing workouts for my fitness. Fuck it.
Hey, and City
Like you
Fan,
said,
go to Random Live car reviews and then comment on his shit and tell him how much better I do at my workouts. Do that for me. Thank you. Appreciate it, City Fan.
Appreciate it, big fella.
Oh, we do it. Damn, stay in your lane. Motherfucker. But yeah, Ken, we can't stop though. You gotta do something today. Whether it's a short or something.
Yeah, I don't stop. That's crazy.
My shorts been going crazy though on YouTube, gang.
I looked at them earlier. I said, damn.
10K minimum. 10K minimum. Yeah. My stuff on YouTube hitting like yours is on IG.
What you been, Tim? I ain't gonna lie. I said, damn, I think it's shit going crack.
Yeah, I'm not complaining about that. Them 10 minutes, I'm gonna be able to charge them up now. Hey, you want a short on YouTube? You get minimum 10K.
I think it's easy about to be hurt.
Huh?
That nigga about to be hurt.
Oh, for real?
I think about to start getting paid.
Call me Money Making Jay. Let me stop this recording, y'all, because this thing be tripping when I record more than like 5. Put y'all back up here. All right, City Fan, let me turn this radio. So basically just left Galeana's, and I'll wait to see what that appraisal come back as, because I might just trade the GT3 in or whatever. We'll see, but I'm headed to DG Graphics now. I know I've been waiting for like almost a week to go here, because they did the embroidery for my look at this dumbass. Look at this idiot right here. Look at this idiot. Look at her. You in the middle of the street. Ain't nowhere for you to go. Your thing all the way over there, and you blocking the whole traffic with this fucking van. Stupid. Just dumb. Just dumb. Anyways, DG Graphics, I hope they do the embroidery on the Motor City J merch or whatever, and I'm gonna see what they charge, and then I'm gonna have some merch for y'all. So I'm starting a clothing line. Your boy gonna have a clothing line. I need y'all to buy that. I'm gonna have for the holidays and everything. So I'm gonna talk to them. I'm gonna see what they say as far as like pricing and what they really need, you know, that type of thing. And then yeah, we'll go from there. I mean, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm gonna kind of talk to them over there and see, but it should go well. I mean, I've like I said, I've purchased stuff from them before. I might have them do a logo. I might pay them for that, just because the guys that I had, the logos I've seen that I had done, I don't really like. Oh, shit. My bad, City Man. Y'all failed for a second. It's a nice little bump, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't really like them, so I'm gonna see if they can come up with something a little bit better. If they charge me for it, I know they're gonna charge me for it. But I'm hoping I get some different like options, you know what I'm saying? Of like what I can do versus what I normally would have, and hopefully they're decent. Because if they're decent, then I'll be happy. If they're not, then whatever, you know what I'm saying? So head to DigiGraphics. I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully I can record in there so you're not tripping, but hopefully they'll be able to explain it and all that kind of stuff, and then I'll let y'all say. Look, it's dirty right here. Dang, man, I got smudges all on the lens. My bad, City fam, my bad. Here, let me wipe y'all off first. Is that better? That is better. But like I said, I'll be there in a minute. That's all I'm trying to say. Graphics, it wasn't that bad. They don't really do what I want them to do. But I might be able to make it work because they got a minimum requirement, right? You gotta order so many shirts, so many hoodies, especially if you're doing screen print. So it's like I guess you gotta do orders of quantities of 25. So if I'm gonna do a batch of 50 for the clothing line, I gotta have, you know what I'm saying? So I might have to buy the first 25, and then like the next 25 I put in orders for, and you get it like, you know, a week after you order it. That's kind of the problem though, is that it's not set up in a way where she does small batch shirts. So me and Kim might have to get our own stuff and have to screen print our own stuff, and just buy the blanks as we go. You know what I'm saying? Versus and have a shirt by the end of the week type of situation. Versus going through them or something like that, because they're not gonna have the stuff ready. And I'm not buying 25 shirts. Now don't get me wrong, their stuff might be better because one, they've been doing it for a long time, and two, like I know their embroidery work is good. I don't know about the screen print stuff, but I'm assuming that, you know, the screen print is just as good. So long story short, we gonna see. So I'm probably gonna hit up Ken and tell him like I went to DG, this is what she said, and okay, I'm gonna call him now and see what he say. Ken, answer the phone, because Ken trying to do his clothing line too, and it just makes sense for us to split the cost, and we both use it. That's what happens when you got a boy. You split the cost and y'all both use it versus, you know what I'm saying, you spend all the money on one thing. What up?
What up?
So I just got from DG Graphics, right? So it's not that bad, but they got a minimum order of 25 pieces. So like, she said I can make an account, I can make it a website, and then every time somebody order one, it will send it to them, but they wouldn't make it until it hit 25, until I had to order a total of 25. You know what I'm saying? So that'd be the problem. So they're not doing piece by piece. So it might make sense for us to just get the machine ourselves and do it, bro.
Okay.
Because we can do piece by piece, and we don't gotta hold the inventory. As soon as we get an order, we can go up there, get a sweatshirt or hoodie or something, and then just do it for that person versus having to pay for 25 ourselves. But our first batch, we're gonna probably just make the money back that we spent on the cost of the equipment type. I was talking to City Fan, I was like, man, let me just call Ken and explain what happened. So I mean, that was reasonable, but the embroidery is 6 pieces, a minimum of 6 pieces, and then the screen print is a minimum of 25. But she said it could be mixed match. It could be hoodies, t-shirts, hats. There's got to be 25 pieces. So the only benefit to that is that we can have whatever we want and pretty much charge, and we just have to get an order of 25. But she said it got to be the same screen print, so we both couldn't do it for the same order because they had to switch orders. So 25 units for each screen print, same color type situation.
Yeah.
I know. It's probably like 25 at 20 a piece type situation. So you probably spending 250, 300 minimum on if not 500, to be honest with you. So that's that. You at the crib? Huh?
Hello?
Yeah. Are you at the crib?
I see, yeah.
I can't hear you. Your phone keep going out. Ken got the worst phones, y'all.
I said I talked to Jared today.
Garrett or Jared?
Jared.
Oh, I'm like, who you talking about? Oh, what did he say?
He said nothing we can do now until next spring.
That makes sense.
I guess what? Yeah, it did.
Because nobody's buying no cleaning supplies in the wintertime, bro.
Yeah.
At least not around here. Dealerships might,
Yeah.
but people not doing it.
Yeah.
Well, you're going to be in a different place by then, so you're going to be able to charge his ass different. He just don't know that.
Right. Yeah, because it won't be, today's price won't be tomorrow's price.
Not at all. I'm not taking no products. By spring next year, bro, I'm not, you giving me cash.
Yeah, bro.
I'm not taking no products, bro.
Yeah, he tripping.
He just don't know, that's all.
But it's holiday season, so I probably could have got something off. Like far as like Father's Day gifts, like gifts for dad, uncles,
Yeah, dad gifts.
stuff like that. Yeah. So like that's how I was looking at it.
But they don't have no online nothing though.
And which is more reason.
Huh? Like they don't have a detailed Detroit online or nothing like that. Which he should.
Like that's
I can't understand.
and all I was doing was taking the piece, but I mean,
Your phone keep going out, bro.
I don't know. Yeah, I heard you.
Yeah, I just don't think he not set up for that yet. But he lose a lot of money from not being able to buy online. He don't lose, he miss out online. Cause if I can order online and pick it up or do shit like that, it'll be way easier.
Yeah.
Or I can send a link out. And whatever I make off that link, whatever you make off that link, I get a percentage of it. That's what you were trying to do?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, he tripping. That wouldn't have hurt him at all.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, what is you doing? People just can't drive, man, and it's crazy.
What they say about the appraisal?
I'm waiting for him to give me the appraisal number back. I left something at the dealership, so I gotta go back to Galliano's real quick, and then I knew he wasn't gonna give me an appraisal immediately because he probably call around and see if he can get rid of it before he even got, you know what I'm saying? Once he paid for it, get rid of it immediately.
Mm-hmm.
But he don't got no damn girl. He don't got no they don't sell these cars there, so I know he gonna lowball me. To be honest, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But whatever.
They're gonna hit you with the 15.
Huh?
He gonna hit you with the 115.
He might. I mean, I got offers for 120 on it already, so. But if I'm selling to a person, I ain't giving it to a person for 120. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He might hit me with he might hit me low with 115. I mean, MMR on it is like 118. It's 118, so I'm not giving you like, nah, y'all can kick rocks.
Yeah, kick rocks.
They already hit me over the head on the vet. Because I know what the appraisal of the vet is. The appraisal for the vet should be like 65, 64. So they already got $2,000 in that. And you trying to take another $3 or $4 in the Porsche too? Nah, bro. Yeah, I ain't cut like that, bro.
That nigga said he about to get $10,000 off of you.
Yeah, not today. Not on me. We gonna see.
Let's drop him in the river.
All right, I'll call you back when I leave Galleons. I gotta grab something real quick.
All right.